Allow me to demonstrate the Clarity AI LinkedIn extension and guide you through the installation process step by step. Step 1. To begin, you need to install the Clarity AI extension. Navigate to the Chrome extension page, search for Clarity AI, and select the Clarity Chrome extension. Then add the extension to your browser. Step 2. After installation, refresh your LinkedIn page and click on the Clarity AI extension. Take some time to read the terms and conditions carefully, and then click Next. Step 3. On the next page, you will be prompted to enter your OpenAI API key. If you are unsure how to obtain this key, you can receive guidance by clicking on the Click Here for Help button. Step 4. Upon entering your API key, Clarity AI will verify the key's validity. Then, navigate to the Messaging tab, where you will see the Clarity AI logo, and the extension will automatically generate messages based on your messaging history. As an example, suppose you wish to generate a message based on your own prompt. Simply input your prompt, and you will receive a personalized message that you can send with just one click. In summary, Clarity AI LinkedIn extension is a time-saving tool that allows you to generate personalized messages quickly and efficiently. Give it a try today and experience its benefits firsthand.